Hello everyone, I am Manish from BCom CA third section. Now I am going to talk about what is marginal cost and break-even analysis. What is marginal cost? Marginal cost is approached where variable costs are charged to cost units, but the fixed cost for the relevant period is written off in full against the total contribution for the period. The fixed cost is not shared or appropriation to any cost center or cost unit. While marginal costing can be used as part of a routine cost accounting system, its main use is in providing relevant information for planning and decision making. The contribution of marginal cost. Contribution is an important key term in marginal costing. It is simply the difference between total sales and the total variable cost. The principles of marginal cost. Since fixed costs are constant within the relevant range of volume sales, it follows they by selling one extra unit or create one extra sale. Revenue will increase by the sale value of one item. Cost will only increase by the variable cost per unit. The increases in profit will equal sales with less variable cost. Advantage of marginal costing. Marginal costing approach is preferable for decision making as contribution is the most reliable criteria upon which to base a decision. It avoids arbitrary apportionment for fixed cost and the under or over absorption of overhead. Separating fixed and variable cost can help in short-term pricing decisions, as a fixed cost will remain unaffected by fluctuation in activity within a relevant range. Management can focus on variable cost and contribution. Fixed cost, by their nature related to period of the time rather than volume of production, and those should be treated as such in prepared for profit statements. Disadvantage of marginal costing. A marginal costing system identifies the contribution each item earns. It does not establish the fixed cost per item. So, there is a danger that item will be sold on an ongoing basis at a price which fall to covering fixed cost. Marginal costing does not conform to the principle required by the accounting standard for stock valuation, which requires that stock is valued based on the total cost incurred in bringing the product to its present condition and location. This is because no element of fixed cost is included in the stock valuation provided by marginal costing. Break-even analysis. A break-even analysis is a financial calculation that weights the cost of new business, service or product against the unit sale price to determine the point at which you will break even. In other words, it reveals the point at which you will have sold enough units to cover all the year's cost. At the point, you will have neither lost money or made a profit. Profits of break-even analysis. Profits are the main depend upon three types. One is cost of production and amount of input and sales revenue. Cost of production. Cost of production is sum of two costs. One is variable cost and fixed cost. Fixed costs are assumed to be constant at all levels of output. Expenditure on permanent labors and overheads. Variable cost increase with the increase of output of production. Example, material cost, inventory cost, etc. The technique to study the total cost total revenue and output relationship is known as break-even analysis. Hence, break-even analysis is the study of cost, volume of production, and profit relationship. It is an analysis to study the point where neither profit nor loss is acquired. This point is known as break-even analysis. Break-even analysis can be done in two ways. One, algebraic method and graphical method. But usually a break-even analysis is done in graphically. Importance of break-even analysis. Its help in solving the following type of problem. What volume of sales will be necessary to cover a reasonable return on capital investment? Computing cost and revenue for all possible volume of output. To find the price of an article to give the design profit. To determine the variable cost per unit. Assumption in break-even analysis. The total cost of production is compressed of fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost remains constant. It depends on the quantity products. It includes salaries, rent of buildings, depreciation of plant and requirement, etc. Variable cost is directly proportional to the volume of production. Selling price does not change with the volume of change. Total sales income is PXQ, where P is selling price and Q is quantity product. Break-even analysis. It was invented by Walter Ratustaches, an industry engineer and professor of Columbia University in 1930. It is a graphical representation of relationship between various cost and sales revenue at a given time. It determines the break-even point. Functions of break-even on a chart. It is an aid to management and it deposits a clear view of the status of the business. It is a graphic representation of the economic position of the business. It shows the profits and losses at various output level. It shows the relationship between marginal cost and fixed cost. It is indicated not profit, not loss situation and margin of. It can help by making specific plan to affect profit through the control of expenses. How to calculate a break-even point based on units. Divide fixed cost by the revenue per unit minutes from the variable cost per unit. The fixed costs are those that do not change no matter how many units are sold. The revenue is the price for which you selling the product minus the variable cost like the labor and materials. Formulas of break-even point. Break-even point equal to fixed cost plus revenue per unit minus variable cost per unit. When the determine a break-even point based on sales dollars, divide the fixed cost by the contribute margin. The contribute margin is determined by subtract by variable cost from the price of the product. This amount is then used to cover the fixed cost. Break-even point equal to fixed cost plus contribute margin. Contribute margin equal to price of product minus variable cost.
guys, you liking this video. Thank you.